Oh, come back here. Come to Mum. Come on. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Oh, look at you. 8 months today. You're 8 months old today and you've done your first proper crawl. And now we're back to the army crawl, hey? Good boy. Don't eat my foot. No. Yucky. Don't eat my foot. No. No. Look at you. Ray, do you know your name? Do you know your name? Good boy. Ray, say bye. See ya.